Alright. Hey Dave, my name is Nathan Bruce. You told me not to waste your time, and I promise I'm not trying to waste my time either. Alright, I'm going to make this video super short and quick, to the point. Alright, the reason we're doing this is because we want more customers. Alright, we want to help out way more people than we are right now, okay? I checked out your guys' website. We're going to talk about 3 things today. Content, citations, and backlinks. Alright, first one is first one is content. Content has anything to do with what is on your website, even what a picture is saved as. So if this is your website and I go here, I save this image, what it should say is it should have your business name in the save as box, and it doesn't. So we have to fix that, okay? That's rule number 1. Fix that. Make sure your business name is in that saved as area, okay, for all your pictures. Alright? Second thing, citation. What is a citation? A citation is your business name, your address, and your phone number. Now you can put this in multiple places, like in a directory like Facebook or Angie's List, but you also need it on your Google My Business page, and I don't see that you have a Google My Business page. Alright, so I found your Facebook page. Alright, your website does show up, which is good to see. Alright, but if we look up, let's see Meerkat, because I know Meerkat has their Google My Business page up. No, Meerkat Pest Control. Meerkat Pest Control. See, there it is. Alright, citation, business name, address, phone number. We have to do the same thing. Okay? I looked up Pest Control Hempstead, New York. Alright, Google Guaranteeds are way better than regular Google ads because a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices. So write that down. Get Google Guaranteeds. It's worth the investment. This is the Google Map Pack. Alright, the businesses that are in this area get the most calls, so we got to put your business in there as well. Okay, as we scroll down, I don't see your business on the home page, the first page of Google, so that's something that we also have to do. Get your business on the front page of Google. The third and final thing I'm talking about today is backlinks. A backlink is simply another website that has an ad in it that points directly to your website, bringing in more traffic. Okay, so we want more traffic. All right, the better backlinks, the better for us as a business. Okay, so I'm trying to help you out as much as possible. All right, I'll show you what I mean here. This is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. Okay, these are your numbers based off of what Google has, because Ahrefs pays Google for these numbers. URL rating out of a 100-point scale, you guys have a 29. Alright, and that's how much trust that Google has in your website. The domain rating, again out of 100 points, you guys have a 26, and that is how much power that Google gives to your website. Okay, 126 referring domains are giving you 5.62 thousand backlinks. Historically, you've had 237,000. These are the ones that are live, and there's a direct correlation between these numbers and the backlinks. Alright, I can tell that these backlinks aren't helping you out a lot because it's keeping this number very low. Okay, you guys aren't ranking for any keywords, you guys don't have any traffic coming in with your website, and you guys aren't bringing in any money to the website. Estimated value of your target's monthly organic search traffic. Organic traffic, no one's coming to your website. Okay, so we have to fix that. We have to get people knowing about your business. We have to get eyes on your business through Google. We got to get you the front page. Okay, all of this together is going to bring in more customers. I can't stress this enough. Alright, this is something that business owners need to do. We need to do this. We need to get this stuff right, and we need to take action. Speed, action, we need to do this. Okay, Battle of Bug, this is one of your competitors. Alright, this is their numbers. Okay, so they have a lower domain rating than you do. Alright, because they have bad backlinks. So we're going to get the good backlinks. We're going to check out competitors that are doing it right, and what works for them will work for you. Okay, they have a 21 URL rating, whatever, low, bringing in $325 a month. So I'm showing you kind of what your competition is doing right, and I'm showing you what they're doing wrong. Okay, and to show you that it's possible to beat them online. Okay, sometimes word of mouth isn't good enough anymore. Organic keywords, 136. What's a keyword? A keyword is something that anyone looks up on Google, so it's anything. Like I looked up pest control Hempstead, New York. That's one keyword. All right, we need to rank for these keywords the best way possible, and we need to get to the first position, okay? The volume is how many monthly people search for these keywords. 4040, 150, battle bug, exterminator, Suffolk County, 60 people. An extra 60 customer a month can help out a business greatly, okay, tremendously. All right, so 60, 120, we pretty much want to rank for local keywords, not national. All right, that's not going to help us out, and it's going to be more all 50 states, all everyone competing for those keywords. No, we want to compete in a smaller group, so local. All right, Suffolk County, exterminators, 60, another 60 people, pest control, mice, Thomason, exterminator, Long Beach, mouse control, Suffolk County exterminator. So thousands, hundreds and thousands of people search for services monthly, okay? So they're looking for help, and we got to put you in front of these customers, okay? Best way to do that is to do all 4 of these things the right way. It is content, a citation, backlinks, and keywords, okay? This is Rest Easy Pest Control. This is the last thing I'm showing you. All right, here are their numbers to kind of show you what other competitors in the area are doing. They have a 31 and a 16, okay? They have 1.95 thousand backlinks right now, but again, they're bad backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. It's keeping this number very low. Okay, so they're ranking for 20,000 keywords. 15,000 people a month visit their website. They're bringing around $17,000 a month with their website. That's not including their points. Well, that's including the points per click, but that's not including what is said on the outside of the website. So, word of mouth. Okay, so they're making quite good money. All right, we need to get on the same page. We need to do better than them. Okay, I can't stress this enough. This is something that all businesses need now. Okay, speed. We got to do this the right way. Okay. Even stuff like ant brains, like fly repellent, we could rank for this stuff. They're ranking first position for stupid stuff like this. So, what works for them is going to work for us. All right, if we do it the right way, we're going to outrank them. All right, we're going to get to the top of the Google first page, okay, and we're going to get to the Google Map Pack. All right, we're going to start your Google My Business page, okay? We're going to get all this stuff together. So think about what I've said in this past 7.5 minutes, 8 minutes. All right, take it under consideration. Please let me know if you're looking to work together. All right, let me know if this video was informative. All right, I'm trying to help out as many smaller businesses as I possibly can. Since COVID, a lot of these smaller businesses have taken a huge hit. So again, I'm trying to help out as many people as possible, okay? So think about it, Dave. Let me know what you're thinking. All right, I appreciate you listening to me. Have a good one.